Approval settings. Approval settings allow you to select the flow of approval for employee requests. You will be able to select the desired office as well as a specific staff position whose requests you would like to set up for an approval flow. For example, you could set up who has authority to approve or reject regular employees' holiday requests. Unanimous approval in any order means any one of the selected approvers can act on the request, but all selected approvers must make a decision on the request. The mean answer from all approvers will be the result of the request. Unanimous approval, left to right, means the request will pass from one approver to the next of the approvers you have set up. After each approver has made a decision, the mean answer will be the result of the request. Anyone can approve. Simply means that any one of the selected approvers can act on the request and their decision will be the result of that request. Highest approver prioritized means that the last approver in the selected approvers will have the final say on employee requests. Basically, he has the power to overrule the other approvers.